As you open up the website, you can access the map from the regular property search page. Simply click the Search on Map button. It appears near the property list, and this will open up your map. When the map first loads, you'll see your chosen country and its neighbouring countries. The headline above the map shows how many properties match your search. Use the plus and minus buttons on the right-hand side of your screen or your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. The map initially tells you to scroll in further to activate properties. Keep zooming in until orange circles, clusters and dots appear. These represent properties. When you pan or zoom in, a banner appears at the bottom of the map saying, "You've changed your area." Click here to find properties here. Click this banner to refresh the results. The property counter will update and the orange markers will now reflect your new area. Orange clusters show the number of properties in a wider area. As you zoom in, clusters break apart into smaller clusters and finally into single dots. Single property dots can be clicked. A preview card pops up with a photo, price and a brief description. Clicking again opens the full property details in a new tab. Use the Show on List button to display a scrollable list of all properties currently visible on the map. The More Filters option opens a panel where you can set a price range, number of bedrooms, property type, apartment, villa, land, etc., and other amenities. Your shortlist lets you view properties you've saved. You must be logged in to save or view a shortlist. You can also set up email alerts for new properties matching your search area and filters. You'll need to create an account or sign in. Looking for tips or help troubleshooting map issues? Head to the article section on our website to read our recent post on mastering the property map, or simply click the link in the description.